Today we're here to talk about great business ideas for newcomers and established businesses. There's no doubt that the health and fitness industry is growing, and despite the notion that there's no more room for the market, newcomers can still join in on the fray. How? Here's some foolproof fitness business ideas that can help you start your business. Nowadays, going to a gym and following strict healthy diets have become a norm. Wearing yoga pants and other workout clothes outside fitness centers is no longer taboo. Generally speaking, people are now more health conscious than they have ever been, and it's not really that surprising. The health and fitness industry is most definitely growing, and as more opportunities were presented, the more players came in. With such a saturated market, can newcomers still join in on that fun? Hey guys, welcome to Creative. Here we use our passion for the game to change the game. Every week we talk about solutions that can truly change the business of sports. And today we're here to talk about great fitness business ideas for newcomers. Revolutionize the game, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything in the future. So you love wellness. Now you want to bring that passion to the world and help people achieve their respective fitness goals, but you don't know really how to do that. Thankfully, Creative's team has listed down a few foolproof fitness business ideas can help you kickstart in the industry. Be an online fitness instructor. One of the easiest ways you can launch a career in the industry is by being a fitness instructor. Personal trainers are the go-to of consumers who are new to working out, are working out due to medical reasons. Being a fitness instructor can be very rewarding, but at the same time challenging, because unlike sportswear brands or yoga studios, you yourself are the main product. You'll have to develop a great looking portfolio and a loyal following in order to establish your authority in the game. Undeniably, being a personal trainer can be a tough job, but if you love what you do, then everything will be worth it. Now, taking that one step further, be a gym or studio owner. If you think being a product itself is a bit too much, you can give owning a gym or a fitness studio a try. Because of the growing demand for fitness centers, well-known gym brands are now offering franchise opportunities to budding business owners. In case you want to really go all out and build your own company, you can also do that, but keep in mind that building a business from scratch takes time, though it's fully 100% yours. You'll have to create your own brand and market it yourself, which frankly speaking is no easy task. Lucky you can collaborate with experienced sports marketing team like us at Creative in building your brand and marketing it. If you enjoy writing and fitness, be a fitness blogger or vlogger. Things have certainly changed. YouTube is not a hobby that doesn't pay. It can now be someone's full-time job. Being a vlogger is another career path fitness instructors can take. If you're already an established trainer and hope to further expand the community they have created for themselves, you can share your knowledge and expertise to the rest of the world. Home workout routines and healthy recipes are some of today's sought-after fitness videos. And in case you're camera shy, you can always go the blogging route. You can become a physical therapist. Unbeknowingly to most people, physical therapy is one of the rapidly rising segments of the fitness industry. Nowadays, it's not just injured athletes that are looking for therapy aids. Even normal consumers are looking for massage therapists for backaches and other issues. The market offers great opportunities for newcomers, so if you want to get ahead, it's best that you start working on that brand right now. Be a sportswear brand owner. Another rapidly growing yet incredibly dense segment of the industry is retail. As a matter of fact, it's considered to be its largest segment, producing billions of dollars per year. Now, like we've mentioned earlier, the market for sportswear brands have become overly saturated in the recent years. Even big brands such as Nike are on their toes, with smaller and newer brands coming for their money. So is there room for newbies? Definitely. But you'll have to figure out a cutthroat campaign that'll help your brand stand afloat. The competition in this segment is getting fiercer as the years go by. If new business owners want to stay in the game, they have to play hard. Admittedly, making the decision to jump headfirst into a heavily saturated market is hard, but it's the fitness industry's seemingly never-ending growth that makes it irresistible for most business owners. It means more opportunities will come. All the players have to do is strategize and stay in the game. Now, these 5 career paths that we've discussed today are not the only fitness business ideas we have. Read about becoming an independent supplement sales representative or becoming a fitness author in our original blog linked down below. We hope you guys loved today's video, and if you want to learn more about great solutions that can truly change the game, don't forget to hit that subscribe button or that notification bell. This is Zach with Creative, where business is our sport.